YouTubers? This is a new series I'm going to do for YouTube on avatars. So let's get down to the action. Okay.
What should we do today?
I don't know, Mario. Nor me.
Let's maybe go to the maze.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Let's just jump into this. Hi.
I want to go first.
Ow.
Good thing we're all in it. There's the pipe.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, now we stand behind this butt.
Are you recording it now?
Yes.
You're not even videoing anything, Logan.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now.
Yeah?
Okay. Hey, Whaley. Yes. Why don't you let us play this game here? Okay. All you have to do is get to a ball through the maze. Okay. Let Mario do that. Okay. Yeah. But what about me? What do we do? I'm the headmaster. Oh, okay. When we're done, can we go upstairs and jump off that big thing? That's next week. You just spoiled. Okay. Next week. Cool. That is so cool. Beep, beep, beep. Oh my gosh. We'll see you next time for part 2 where they're going to jump off the trampoline. Or they're going to jump off the high cliff. Bye.